PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.
After you cook in your PowerXL grill air fryer combo, cleanup's a breeze. It's a snap to clean it like new again. It is important to always let your PowerXL grill air fryer combo cool down before you try to clean it. You may even want to remove the power cord from the wall outlet. An easy way to clean the inner pot, the grill plate, and the tempered glass lid is to simply put them right in the dishwasher. They're dishwasher safe. The base unit can be washed by hand with a warm, damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge and mild cleaning liquid. Warning: do not scrub the heating coils in the air fryer lid because they are fragile and may break. Please note, never submerge the main unit in water or liquid. The water will damage the electrical parts. Caked-on food on accessories should be soaked in warm soapy water before hand washing or putting them into the dishwasher. Never use scouring pads, abrasive pads, or harsh cleaners on these items. If scrubbing becomes necessary, use a nylon bristle brush or plastic non-abrasive scrubbing pad. To store your grill air fryer combo, unplug it from the wall and let it cool down completely. Then place the appliance in a clean, dry place. And that's it. That's all you do. And your PowerXL grill air fryer combo will be clean again and ready for the next meal.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.